on-loop electronics. The alpha gate peaking out.
Project #16, sound, rotary switch, Mk13. Wave. In a wave is a propagating dynamic disturbance of one or more quantities, sometimes as described by a wave equation. In physical waves, at least two field quantities in the wave medium are involved. Sound waves are variations of the local pressure and particle motion that propagate through the medium. Sine wave. To the human ear, a sound that is made of more than one sine wave will have perceptible harmonics. Addition of different sine waves results in a different waveform and thus changes the timbre of the sound. Presence of higher harmonics in addition to the fundamental causes variation in the timbre, which is the reason why the same musical note played on different instruments sounds different. Rotary switch, spark-fun rotary switch breakout. This is a single-pole, 10-position rotary switch able to select up to 10 different states in a durable package. Unlike our other rotary switch, this model is much more robust and capable of handling larger currents and voltages. Though this switch requires you to use 11 pins and is not breadboard friendly, we do offer a breakout board to provide easier access to its capabilities. This is the spark-fun rotary switch breakout, a very simple board designed to easily provide you access to each pin on our 10-position rotary switches. This breakout allows you to easily add a rotary switch to your next project without having to worry about attaching its unique footprint to a custom board or solderless breadboard. All you need to do is solder the 10-position rotary switch into the breakout and each pin will become available for breadboard or hookup wire compatibility.
Now, rotary switch. Here, so good. Ground, power, here, and the here. So good. This now the frequency and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is good. The Arduino Mini Pro sound, piano key, and the buttons for here. Simple. Now here for this keyboard, like same thing, frequency, and rotary switch, and here. This puts now rotary switch and C. Perfect. Here, Mozzi pitch and sound. Where to switch here, this and this. Perfect. And now frequency and the rotary switch and frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So perfect. Pitch and sound. Now see the good or bad. Good. So Arduino Uno and compiling and download. Good. Now see the Arduino and programming is good. Now this here, this sound, but one down out. And here, no, but so this, the frequency for the here is simple, and the frequency for the sound is good. Bye-bye.
The Alpha Geek. J. Luke Paquin, Curriculum Vitae. Don Luke Electronics. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.